Life is stranger than fiction. Look at all this craziness happening in the world right now. Fun times.
Extremely intoxicated delivery driver making headlines as this video shows him casually driving on the sidewalk, then later crashing his van in someone's house. The driver was demanding for his keys back before he was arrested, claiming to be exempt from drunk driving with a drunk driving certificate that was a piece of paper that read, "I can drive lit gang."
Alrighty then. Here you go. Want to have sex with a musketeer? Here you go. Have fun. Bye-bye. Hee hee.
Yep. So if you're watching this in Saudi Arabia...